This is the BONSPO Inflatable stand-up paddleboard, which I have to say looks amazing. It's this great color. It's got this ribbing for traction where you stand. It's a nice heavy material. I really like the design. Comes with an inflator, which the hose just snaps in. It's nice and positive, easy to attach. Comes with the I want to call it an oar. Maybe I'm not right, but it's an oar. Just 3 pieces, you put it together. It's totally adjustable for the right height that you need for yourself as a person. Comes with adjustable fins depending upon the situation. Comes with a waterproof iPhone container, which is so nice that it comes with this package. Safety strap so it doesn't get away from you. And a repair kit in case an alligator bites a hole in it, you need to fill the hole. Let's try pumping it up a little bit.
What is it? It's pretty easy?
It's very easy to pump, and honestly, I haven't been doing it in a long time. I can already see it inflating already.
Definitely inflating already.
Yeah. Nowhere near as bad as I thought it would be.
Yeah, it's actually not bad at all. And it's light, so you can take this pump with you, which is great.
Yeah.
In the bag that it comes in, and it all fits in there.
Let's show them real quick how to put together the oar. So the oar, this part just slides in, has a retainer. You just press that button. You just slide this in to whatever height you need. Click this down to lock it down, and that's all there is to it.
Okay, let's get this blown up, put it in the water.
Let's do it. For the benefit of full disclosure, this is amazing the way it blew up, but we did use a special inflator for it, which we have enough of inflatables that we need to have it around. But Nikki would like to show you just how light this board is. Well, you see how beautiful this stand-up paddleboard is? We thought it deserved better than Nikki and I, rank amateurs cruising around on it. So we invited our friend Anna out, who lives on this beautiful lake. She also has her own stand-up paddleboard, so we thought it'd be really good to have an experienced paddleboarder take it out, take it for a little spin, drive it around this beautiful lake, and let you guys know what it was like. I'm going to step aside for about 30 seconds, let Anna show you around her beautiful lake, and then we'll come back and talk about the overall experience on this sup.
It's so fun.
Okay, so we've just finished the test drive. Anna had to leave for an appointment, but we had a little debrief before she left, and she's coming from it from the standpoint of having a conventional stand-up board, and she was really impressed with this. She said it was every bit as good as her conventional stand-up paddleboard. She actually sat there and watched us inflate it in the driveway and was a little surprised that this little rubber thing out of a backpack was going to turn into a stand-up paddleboard, but it did, and boy did it ever shine. This thing's great.